Guess what? My ps5 Pro has finally come. Let's just unbox this shit up, bro. Unbox it up, guys. So here's the tape. Let's see what's in there. You gotta be careful. I don't want to damage the packaging in the box, bro. Yo, here we have our first cable. It came with a box. I guess it's for the PS5 or something, I don't know. Let's unbox it. We got another 2 cables. Then we have another 2 cables. And like after this, here we have the controller. Here we have the controller. Yo guys. Here's the controller. Wait. Here's the controller. I already got one controller over there, the black one. Here's the white one. So let's just put it here. Let's put it here for now. Here are the cables, and here we have one clip. Only one clip. What the fuck? There's supposed to be 2 clips. What the fuck? Oh, here's the other one. Here's the ps5, I guess. How do you open it? Yo, you gotta lift it from here, bro. Here's the moment of excitement. Here's our ps5, bro. Here's the ps5 Pro. Yo, this is beast, bro. This is beast. Here's our ps5 Pro. Let's just grab this beauty. Yo, bro, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Like, what the fuck, bro? Seriously, my dream has come true. Like, yo, here's a ps5. Here's a ps5. Yo, bro, let's just, I don't know what to say, bro. I'm very excited, bro. Here's a ps5 Pro, and the box is all empty. The box is all empty, nigga. So let's unbox this disc, the additional disc, because I have these games. I've already ordered tons of these games, so let's just install this in our ps5 Pro. Bro, this shit is very hard, bro. Wait, let me just pause it and directly unbox the shit thing. Wait. Bro. It's like this, guys. Just gotta install this shit up. Yo. Do you have anything underneath the box? The plate, the cover. It's supposed to be there. Here, I guess. This part. So, wait. Let me just install the things up. Wait, guys. Wait. Everything is all set up. I've connected this wire to this ps5. Here's the power cord to here, and here's the HDMI port directly to my freaking TV. You can see right there. So let's just boot the ps5 up. Yo. So now we'll go to our TV's HDMI. Like, yeah. Just turn on itself. Let's just enjoy the view, nigga. It's already plugged in though. I've already plugged it in, nigga. Yo, we'll click this button. This button right there, because it's saying, yo, so let's click it up. Click it. Well, United Kingdom, United States. I'll go with this one. Wait, let me just set this all up and they really show you the fucking game. You go, wait. Now connected to my Wi-Fi, connecting to the access point. After this, we'll set it up. Wait, I've set this up. Okay. The brightness. Darker, brighter. I think this much is enough for me. Now we'll select. This much is enough. This much is enough. Then we'll brighten it up. This is the max. Then I'll obviously select the optimist one. I agree. Confirm. Confirm. Software update. We'll just update. It's 1.246 GB. Let's just let it update. So we'll wait updating. We'll just create an account on this website. It just says to create an account. The update is completed. Restarting your PS5. Till now, I'm gonna create my PS5 Pro account in India. Let's just put it up. It's installing. Let it install. Till then, I'm just creating my PS5 account. Already finished, completed. It's asking me to press the PS button on your controller. So let's just press it up. I've pressed it. It's pressed. Your disk drive is connected to user disk drive settings. Okay. Registering my disk drive. Oh, so it's my PS5 Pro. It doesn't come with my disk drive, so it's just registering it because I've installed it separately. You can now use your disk drive with a PS5 to safely remove your disk. It's just some manual things or whatever you say, bro. I don't know. My English is not that good, so just ignore it because I'm yapping all the kind of shits I know. Yeah, I'll definitely install one disk. What should I install? The Black Myth Wukong, the Ghost of Yotei, Ghost of Tsushima, or the Spider-Man. I guess I'll go with Spider-Man for now, because I really want to play this Spider-Man game, you know. It's from a PS4, just hope it runs it. Hope. Wait, I forgot how, oh shit. It's okay, wait. I'll check a video before inserting it. It's the right way. I've just checked it on YouTube. So let's install it. Yo, it's in there, nigga. Press to wait, because I've already created my PlayStation account, so I'll just sign it. So it's from my fucking phone, nigga. Yo, this is my account. 534035. Okay, I'll do this. If I'm doing anything wrong, just ignore it. Oh, my net is so shit. Very much shit, nigga. Wait, I'll just cut it. Yeah, the notification has come. Approve it. Okay, I'm all set up. Yo, this is my name, nigga. Sign in. I'm just signing it up. It's asking me to wait. What the fuck? Update your account. I guess I'm good, bro. I don't want to update my account now. Wait, let me set it all up. ps5 is all set up. Yo, bro, it's all set up, nigga. Yo, what the fuck? It's all set up. Yo, you can check this game is already installed. We'll run this game because everybody plays this one game because it just let you feel the ps5 controller. We'll unplug it now and we'll play this game. Wait, we'll play this one game right here. Wait.
Start coordination.
It's recording. Here's the first ever experience you can get on the ps5. Yo, it's vibrating. You can hear the music flowing through this controller. Press any button, okay? Bro, it feels so good. Seriously, it feels so good, man. Yo, you can feel the vibration through here from the remote, man. Seriously. Yo, you can feel the vibration in the remote, man. Do this a little bit right here. Yo, the trigger feels so tight to press, bro. It feels heavier, bro. It means tighter or whatever you say, bro. Like, seriously. Next. Yo, the touchpad. Seriously, bro. It feels so good. You can feel the vibration through it, nigga. Yo, I can feel the robot jumping in here, bro. Yo, wait. I'm missing the back button. Yo, I can feel the robots in here, bro. Like, seriously. Wait, next. I can blow it in there and it'll show there. Yo, let's go, nigga. So the game will start. So I'll just play it a little bit or just keep it and move to Spider-Man. You can check the Spider-Man gameplay later on different video. I mistakenly spoken with just now. Yo, that robot jumped right off. Yo, man. Yo, double press to make it fly. Yo, I can feel the sensation, man. Yo. This is the video. You can check more later. Just let me know. See ya. Peace out.